for a mad one today.
Welcome back to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. Today we're going to be finishing off that front section, hopefully getting it welded into place. After we've done that section, we're going to have a little look at the relays or the fuses, because I think I've got a problem with my coding. I looked on the FIAT COUPE forum online, and that's something that a problem somebody's had before, and they've kind of put instructions of how to fix that. So I'm going to go give that a go as well. But the main job is to finish welding that section and getting a new bit in place so we can kind of finish off that front section. So let's go.
So I've cut the new bit. I'm going to do a new bracket for it. So this one's got a few holes in there. And I want to do this side as well. So I'm going to get the angle grinder and clean these bits down so they're ready to weld. And this one's getting a bit of rust on the back as well. So to get all of that off and prep it to weld. But then this will just be my practice one, so I might do some outside welds on it. It's not completely flat, as you can see from that. So I'll flatten it out on a bit of metal with the hammer. It's completely flat, otherwise it like warps in there. So I'll crack on with that now. So we'll do outside then, inside welds on it. And I've still got loads of slag on it I need to clean off, but that was the first one. And I did blow for it in a few spots, like that. So now I'm going to try to do another one, slightly better, but I'm going to warm up the welder on this and do a little practice weld, or stitch weld practice, and then we'll clean this one up with the angle grinder and get it prepped and flatten it out. That one's come out a little better. So I'm going to try to stitch those corners now. Stitch those bits in between. Time for the chicken now, yes? The good food now, yes? Fucking hell, mate. Just dying for some fucking protein, man. You know? Some fucking chicken, man. Get it! This is one I made earlier, today. Oh my god. I haven't even unwrapped this shit yet. Some good chicken. Oh god. So I like marinated this shit last night. So that chicken sauce real good, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh my god, if you was here, oh my god, the smell of that son. Oh my goodness. Just look at that shit. Look at that shit. Wasting my life. Eating chicken for just myself, man. You know? So, y'all know what's up. Y'all know what's up. Eat this chicken real quick. That's what I'm talking about, son. Gee. Some of that good chicken in the pan. Gotta hit this fuse. That's the time I'm supposed to got to get in. Crazy. It's a shoe off thing. Just gonna put these in. And then take my shoes off. I'm in. That's so hectic. Just not comfortable, bro. How am I supposed to do that? Oh, I can't take the seats out because there ain't enough space to take the seats out. Oh my god. What is that? Oh, it's just a bit of a spider web there. I thought it was all the way through. It's so wet. This is a 10, so it wasn't a 13. Yes. Yes. There's so many just loose wires and shit everywhere. Is that the one there? That must be it. Let me take a closer gander. Could it be one of these fuses then? Do I have to change one of these to see if that's what it is? Or is it actually the full-on relay? I might have to look at that video again, man. Pretty lost. Oh shit. Must be one of these. That's it. Mad comfy, isn't it? These chairs are actually so comfy. Look at that gap. How did I actually even make it through the lake? Let me see that. It's like the thickness of a leg. Oh, look at that. It's like the thickness of a leg. And the seats, what is it? Fucking. Let's make it. Let's edit this out. Edit this out. Edit this out.
We have had a quick look at the fuses and the relays as well. Not really too sure if they're any good or not, but I was thinking before that we should really look at the connections, the like earth connections, because if that's bad then there's no point in even looking at the relays, because I see another video. I was looking at kind of like trying to look for videos that changing like FIAT COUPE relays and stuff like that, and searching problems online, and somebody come across like a similar problem. The guy actually changed all the relays, done all this stuff, and it was still doing the same thing, still making the clicking noise and all of this, and in the end it was a bad earth. So I was thinking, what if I like change the relays or change the fuses and it is like a bad earth? So what I need, and I'm going to check the battery first, because it could be a bad battery, it could be the earth, or it could be the relays, but we need to start in that order. So I'm going to check the battery first. I think that's what we should do first. Then we'll have a look at the earth, then the fuses and relays. The main job today, that's the main job for today. That's what we're going to be doing. Checking the earth cable, making sure that's fine, checking the battery, putting the battery in from my Audi, putting that in to see if it works, and hopefully it will just start. So let's get into it.
Grab that other battery from the Audi, and then we can use that in the coupe. Battery's out. Need to get a new wheel on that. It started fucking up last time. doesn't look like the signs on it. That is buzzing. So happy, man. That's sick. Buzzing. We'll have a long run because she ain't run for ages now. It's been like literally weeks, so it's been like months actually, before Christmas I think. Or just a few weeks ago, I can't really remember. I think it was a few weeks so we'll let her run for a bit. Buzzing, boys. Fucking knew she'd start up. This noise that it makes is so fucking sick. Isn't that sick? I don't know what that orange thing is. I think it's telling your lights off or something. That is sick, isn't it? Or is that petrol warning light? Maybe it's petrol warning light. I'm gonna get some petrol literally this weekend to put in this, to be fair. Buzzing, mate. Anyone know what that is? Is this like flickering coming on and off? It must be the petrol in it. I assume it's the petrol. Don't worry about it. Now it's gone off. This car must eat petrol, mate. It was literally above the line when I topped up last time. I've had it like ticking over like a couple times since then I ain't started it for a while. And now it's like it needs more. Oh well, mate. We'll have a full of boost, mate. Low 112 miles. Obviously, this is a show car. Let's come back on again. This is symptoms that this is like show car material, obviously. Dark in it, but I'm just happy that the car started. Yeah, it hasn't started for ages, so I'm just buzzing, man, to hear it purring away. It sounds like it's ticking over real nice and smooth as well. Because I like to just start it regularly to make sure it's like running okay and it's just maintained and like, do you know what I mean? Before I take it on road, I'll probably change all the oils and everything. To be fair, like what I've done is I changed all the oils in that first video with Paul. Beginning, I was never going to work on the car myself. I was on, I've just got to change the coils and then that's it. Like, I just thought, oh yeah, I'll just change the coils and then like that's it. So see, as I proper like got the car and got underneath it, I realised it needed a bit. It had a bit of rust, and I thought, oh that's right, it's just like those little bits, and then it got more and more. Then I thought, I just wanted to do it myself. Really, I've just ended up doing all of these things myself because like it's just been like a real like this car means everything to me now. Do you know what I mean? Like it is just my everything, really. Do you know what I mean? And like obviously I got to show my granddad this car as well before he like passed away and that, and he just said, you know, take your time with it, and like that's what I've done, man. I've just taken my time with it and learned new things as I go, and I'm just gonna get it back on road and we'll be cruising it. So and yeah, we just done little mods to it and stuff, and it's just sick, and I love everything I've done to it so far. I just love it, man. But yeah, it's just little bits that I need to do now, so it'll be pretty sick, pretty easy going, hopefully. No, it won't at all. I don't know why I said that. It's going to be hard graft. That front bit, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm shook to do that. Right, that's going to be quite peak, but worst comes to worst, I can just cut it back out and put in more metal, I guess. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't come to that. I'd like to know, is anyone else's fuse box like right there? I need to look online, I guess, to be able to see, but mine's like, see where my foot pedal is right there? Like, it's right on top of So I'm just wondering if everyone else is like that. Because you can push it up. I don't actually want to touch it right now, but yeah, I've pushed it up before and it's just come back down like there. But I wonder if there's any brackets or any bolts at the bottom. I need to look at it properly, really. But I'm just happy the car's side, man. Fucking love that. Looks so cool, man. And then obviously, you know, we got to come in soon. We got to come in soon. Redlinequickshift logo, key rings and that. At the moment they're just you know, hot glue gunned on there, but when we get production going and that, we'll get these out. We'll get these out for real, and hoodies and that, and I'll just have a shop like all the other YouTubers, right? That's what you gotta do, you have the merch and that, right?